We've all seen it before. An officer trying to bully someone into submission, only to get completely shut down by someone who actually knows their rights. Well, it happened again in Portland, and this time the cop in question was a female officer who thought she could push a pedestrian around until he turned the tables on her. The whole thing was caught on video, and let's just say it did not go well for her. It all started when an independent journalist walked up to a police scene, camera rolling, just to check things out. No laws broken, no interference. Just a guy filming in public, which is 100% legal. But that didn't stop this particular cop from trying to flex her authority. She immediately ordered him to move away from a police vehicle, acting as if filming it was somehow illegal, when he politely refused because, again, he had every right to be there. She doubled down. Then things got physical. She put her hands on him, trying to push him back. That's when he called her out, telling her that what she just did was actually assault, or at the very least harassment. But rather than backing off, she kept trying to assert control.
What is this about? Is there any reason for them to be blocking that lane except to just be like assholes? Just like a car wreck? Let's not go on private property. What happened?
Someone got hit.
Oh, by a car or something? Yeah. Oh man, that's terrible. No, I'm good.
You're good, Jack?
Yeah.
Hey, get away from the car, dude. Go. Get away from the car.
I'm fine.
Get away from the car. Get away from the car.
Committing a crime?
Get away from the car.
Get away from the car.
Am I committing a crime?
You don't need to be videotaping the car. Get away from the car.
I can videotape. It's public.
Get away from the car. I'm asking you to do that right now.
Okay,
Just go.
I just respectfully decline. Just checking out the car.
Respectfully move from the car.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Don't worry.
Go
Calm
away.
down.
It's
Calm
a crime.
down.
Go away.
What's a crime?
You cannot
Filming in public?
photograph people's our computers.
We have computers.
Anything the eyes can see, I
Nope,
can videotape.
you cannot.
You can walk right
It's
now.
time
That's
to
how
go.
that goes.
This is a crime scene.
Don't touch me.
Then-
Don't touch
then
me.
leave.
Away.
I have committed no crime.
Then leave. We're asking you,
You have
to
no
leave.
authority
This is a crime scene.
unless I've committed a crime.
You're in a crime scene.
Tape it
so
off.
Exit. We don't have to.
Where's the tape?
It's
Dude, why
detained
do you
by
gotta be
us.
like that, man? We're just
I'm
asking you
why
nicely.
do you gotta be like
Just
that?
go.
I'm doing nothing wrong. I have
We're
committed no
asking you to
crime.
leave. You're in a crime scene. Would you like to be detained?
Would you like to put up some tape?
No, I don't
So
have
the public
to.
know? Here, I'll be on the sidewalk, which is public.
Then go.
I know that is
Get
a
out
private.
of the crime scene.
Where's the tape?
I got it.
Put up tape.
No, I don't have to.
I mean, you do if you want me to not stand where I please. I can stand where I please in public. It's a sidewalk.
We're just asking not to
This is a
videotape the
medical
inside of a car.
emergency.
Why do you have to be so difficult and be so hostile? I'm not
Because
doing
we asked
anything
you to move
wrong.
away from the car.
And I
you
respectfully
didn't.
decline. That's what an ask is. When you ask, you
We
can
did.
expect a
It's time to
no
go.
You can-
or a
We
yes.
can play the dick game all you want. That's fine.
That's very rude and unprofessional.
I don't care.
What's
Just
your
like you,
name and
so
badge
take a
number?
walk. Don't have to give it
Name
to
and
you.
badge number?
Don't
Not
have
part
to
of your
give-
policy of the Portland
Nope.
Police?
Because you're not. This is not part of your thing.
So you're in your official duties?
I am.
And your name and badge number?
Don't have to give that to you, sir. Time
Don't
to go.
have to give it.
You don't. You are being recorded.
All right. I would like to submit a public records request.
Go ahead. You have to call records.
No, I can do it in person. I can do it in
Not with
person
me.
verbally. You are a public employee. You have to take it or you break the law. Hey, you are quite professional.
If you don't mind, if you can just wait over there, I'm sure somebody's gonna come want to talk to you if you want to talk to us. We're just trying to make sure.
I was really just kind of checking stuff out. You know, like when I came up, I was like, hey, what's going on? And I really appreciate
I
you
get it.
like being
I
like, oh,
understand.
guy got hit. Yeah, dude, it's terrible. I mean, what they just did was like totally unprofessional and really rude.
Well, yeah, if you
And
just
they
wanna
won't
wait
even
over
give me
there-
their names. Can I have your name and badge
Sure.
number?
Right there. Guevara, G-U-E-V-A-R-A 63452.
Thank you. Very
Right.
professional.
If you wanna just
should
wait over
learn
there-
from this guy.
Just wait for us over there, all right? And then we
Okay.
can get to you. so.
Well, can you give me your name and badge number, please?
Hauser, right there, I believe.
Uh-huh.
63215.
And what's that officer's
You
name?
can ask her.
Okay, can I
number.
submit a
don't know.
public records request to an employee right now?
Okay.
Verbally? I would like her name, badge number,
I don't
I
her
don't know
date
her
of
badge-
hire,
I don't know
her
her
badge
salary.
number.
You
Her
don't-
name is on her.
Well,
on her
I'm
badge.
submitting a public request to you,
I
and
don't have
it's
her badge
We
number.
don't-
I
we
can't
as
don't
a
have
something
that.
as a
I don't
public
know.
employee, you
Okay.
have to take the request, and then you go submit it to where you need to,
We can
and then
play
you
this
get it
game
back
all
to
you
me.
want. I don't know her badge
I'm not
number.
playing
I
a
can't
game.
give
I'm
you.
talking about my rights and the law.
And you asked my badge number. You asked his badge number.
Yeah.
You provided that. I
Very
don't
nice
have
and
her number.
cordial.
You wanna
Yeah,
wait
she
just
wouldn't
over
give
there?
it to me, so
You
now
wanna wait
I'm
over
submitting
there?
a public records
Okay,
request
you wanna wait over
verbally.
there?
If you don't take it, that's breaking the law.
You can wait over there.
Do you want me to make up a number? Because I don't know her badge number.
Well, I'm submitting a public records request right
You
now
want me
to
to
a
make up
public
a number? I
employee
don't know her
on
badge number.
you're on duty as a public employee. You
Yeah.
have to take
I
a
don't
public
have that
records request.
information. What, I can't,
I'm
you
not
want me to make up a
asking
number?
for it right now. I'm giving you a
just
public
did.
records request.
Okay.
So you have,
And
I think,
I've asked
5
you-
or
we
10
asked you
business
to
days to
kindly
get it to
step
me
away
by
from the
law.
car and not videotape the.
Yeah, you
the
kindly asked. I
information.
kindly declined.
Okay,
And
I'm-
she touched me, which
okay.
is assault, because I didn't do anything
I'm
wrong.
declining
I
being
broke.
able to give you a number that I don't know, so I'm not able to give that number to you. I gave you my number. That's what I know.
Yeah, that's why I'm submitting a public records request formally at the moment to public employees. I would like the following information. Her
We
name.
can't give you that. We
You-
don't
you-
have it.
No, but you submit
So,
the public records
we don't-
request,
we don't
and
submit
then
stuff
they
like
get
that.
that back. You have to as a public employee.
If you want
That's
to
the
wait
law.
over there,
That's the law. I would not break the law if I were you. It's not a big deal. This is not like a pissing match. Like, we can just be professional. And thank you for that.
Yeah, you're
And thank you for not touching me like she did.
Okay, yeah, you bet.
Because I don't like to be touched.
Well, I don't like people videotaping the information we have on our computer screens.
But
either,
there's nothing you can do about it
do
except close your computer. That's the thing you can do.
I can't.
You have to create the privacy, because you know, like anything in public that I can see, I can
Sorry, man.
videotape.
I'm glad
That's
I
the law.
I'm glad I give you some content.
I hope you do better next time. You're doing good, kind of pulling back and being a little better, but that last comment was pretty rude.
Egregious to you in the first place. I just asked you to step away from the car, right?
And I said no.
Okay. And I kept
What?
telling
How
you-
egregious is
I
that?
kept telling you to step away.
Isn't it egregious to just say
Back
no?
and forth. You said no. I said step away.
Well, maybe I can ask you, give me $50. Give me
Yeah,
give me
okay.
$50.
In the end, the officer who tried to flex her authority walked away completely defeated, while the journalist walked away with solid video proof of her unprofessionalism. This is exactly why knowing your rights matters. Cops like her count on intimidation to control the situation, but when you stand firm and push back with the facts, they don't know what to do. So next time you see a cop trying to flex with fake authority, just remember, the law is on your side. This interaction is a perfect reminder that you don't have to fold when a cop tries to intimidate you. Here's how to handle situations like this. Know your rights. Filming in public, totally legal. Standing on public property, also legal. Don't let them convince you otherwise. Ask for a supervisor. If an officer refuses to follow the law, escalate the situation. Supervisors often know better. Always record. Your camera is your best protection. Video exposes bad cops and protects good ones. Call out violations. Cops are required to give their name and badge number. If they refuse, that's a red flag. Stay firm, stay polite. They expect you to panic. When you stay cool and quote the law back at them, they often back down.